So would it shock you if I said I thought gold was going to $1,000 an ounce?
Do you think it's going to 1,000?
It sounds shocking, doesn't it? I mean, you mentioned gold. You mentioned gold a minute before, and I mean, I have to tell you, I think it's one area, at least in my practice, that we're actually kind of avoiding these days. Gold has been now basically in a holding pattern for the better part of 18 months. The XAU, the underlying gold stocks, aren't doing anything. And I guess my big picture thesis right now is that higher bond yields actually lead to a strengthening in the dollar price and a weakening in metals and commodities prices. But to your point, Peter, yeah, I mean, at the time, to be a contrarian, people don't think you're smart or astute. They think you're crazy.
If you told the typical Wall Street guy that gold was going to go to 1,000, he wouldn't be shocked. They probably expect that. I mean, if you look at all the gold stocks, they're priced for that right now. I mean, I think a lot of people expect the price of gold to fall. They don't know that it's going to fall tomorrow, but I don't think a lot of people would be shocked by a statement of, I think gold's going to 1,000. I mean, is it possible? Yes, possible. I don't think it would stay at 1,000 very long, but I doubt it will get there because I think too much money would come in to the gold market. I mean, you can't even, if gold went to 1,000, almost all the gold mines would have to shut down, because nobody can mine it at that price. There's a few, but physically it really can't go down that much unless everything else went down too. If oil prices collapsed and coal prices collapsed, and if we had a massive deflation where everything collapsed, then that can happen. But if everything else stays where it is, gold all by itself, I don't see how it could go down there. Or if it went down there, it couldn't stay down there very long. I think that more people would be shocked by my statement when I say gold's going to go to 5,000 or 10,000. People, that can't happen. I think that's what's more likely, though.